You will most likely encounter the AFI extension as a true image backup file or as an Avenza maps import file. This format acts as either a critical recovery point for your computer's operating system or a specialized geospatial data package for mobile mapping. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's determine if we are restoring your hard drive after a crash or importing a topographic map for a field survey. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single AFI file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. In the field of data protection, the AFI format is a legacy archive used by Acronis True Image, now Acronis Cyber Protect Home Office, to store file-level backups. Unlike full-disk images, these focus on specific user folders and documents. In the world of GIS, Geographic Information Systems, the extension belongs to Avenza Maps. It is used as a temporary import container that bundles a map's visual image with its associated geographic coordinates and metadata. Acronis AFI files are governed by a proprietary binary compression protocol that indexes individual file metadata, permissions, timestamps, and paths, separately from the data payload to allow for universal restore capabilities. Avenza.AFI files follow a geospatial referencing protocol where the file acts as a wrapper for a GeoTIFF or geospatial PDF, ensuring that the mobile app knows exactly where on Earth the pixels are located. If installed, your preferred program for AFI should be the AOMEI Backupper Application by AOMEI Technology. To access all data streams, audio-video subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows doesn't display backup contents, so you must use a tool capable of restoring that format. To open this specific AFI file, right-click your file and select Open With. If AOMEI Backupper is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. When your AFI file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, identifying the data source. Distinguish these by their location and file size. If the file is very large, hundreds of megabytes, and found in a Backups or Acronis folder, it is a system recovery archive. If the file is found in an Avenza folder or a mobile device's map storage, it is a geospatial package. You can verify an Acronis file by its header. Opening it in a hex editor will often show the ACRO or AFI binary strings. Avenza files are usually created during a map import process and may appear as temporary data before the app processes them into its internal library. Next, restoration and mapping. To recover files from an Acronis backup, you must use the Acronis Cyber Protect software or the Acronis bootable media. Standard archival tools like 7-zip cannot decrypt the proprietary AFI structure. For map files, you do not open them on a PC. Instead, you transfer them to a mobile device and use the Avenza Maps app to import map. Note that older AFI backups from Acronis, version 9 or 10, may require compatibility mode or a legacy version of the software to be read on modern Windows 11 systems. Finally, fixing missing spans and projection errors. If an Acronis restoration fails with a corrupt archive message, the file may be part of a split backup set. Ensure all numbered volumes are present in the same directory. For Avenza users, if a map imports, but your GPS location appears thousands of miles away, the AFI file likely contains a coordinate system mismatch. You will need to re-export the original map from your GIS software, like ArcGIS, using a standard WGS84 projection before importing it again to ensure the geospatial metadata is correctly interpreted. The inability to open an AFI file often points to an identity crisis where the extension name doesn't match the file's true internal structure. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. The final successful step is using a file inspection tool like FileMagick to force access to your AFI content. Get the solution at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution. Have a great day.